Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today I have a very special unboxing. I've already unboxed the box and I had two knives from Kershaw that they sent directly to the channel. Very appreciative. The first one I opened was a Launch 8. Crazy nice knife. I was very impressed with it. It's a complete sleeper surprise knife, so kind of excited to see what this is, so let's get into it. This is the Launch 11 and 7550 in raw. Very interesting, so let's take a look. I'll be assisting opening of the box. This helped me open the box, the big box already, but I don't want to ruin the package here. But I will use my Kershaw live wire. Great OTF. So let's see, what do we have here? Okay, all right. So we got a little silicate packet. Very cool. I'll put that over there. All right, so this is the Launch, what is this again? This is the Launch 11 and 755 raw. So it does have a button, so I'm assuming this is an auto. Yep, it says it's an auto. Let's see, dead centered nuts, that's cool. Definitely backspacer tied together. Looks like T6 is all the way around, yeah. It looks like we got maybe a T6 there, I don't know. We can double check that. Do I have the, do I not have my screwdriver? I do not. Seriously, where'd they go? Where, oh, it's over here, hold on. All right, I found my screwdriver. So let's see, there's the T6. Let's see, I think these are T6s right here if you want to see. T6. All right, so let's see. T6, T6, T6. All right, I mean, and this is going to probably be a T8, so let's double check that. It's probably a T8. T8. All right, so in case it's loose, that's definitely a T8. All right, but this is an auto, so typically I don't take autos apart. And this is raw aluminum. It's got the little emblem there. All right, let's see, is this, I don't know if this is USA. It would have a little USA emblem on there. I like the very discreet clip. It's probably a steel clip, but it is aluminum, so there we go. All right, so let's see how this opens. Not bad. Auto. USA, CPM-154, oh, very nice. That's the Crucible Metal 154. It's the powder version of 154. That is a little bit better than just 154 CM. It's a pretty nice edge, actually. Let's see, is that pretty even all the way on both sides? Yeah, looks pretty good. Pretty sharp, too. All right, so I've got large hands, so here I'm going to grip right here in the little finger place. So large hands, I can get a full presentation. I definitely can get my hand on here, but that's large hands. If I choke up here like that, I have a little extra room. So extra large, double extra large hands probably can, if you're okay using the choked up position like this, it's definitely going to be a little knife. It's not a gigantic knife, so you will have to take that with a grain of salt. It is right hand tip up right now, but it is reversible. You can swap out the clips, so the clip could be left-handed carry with left-handed tip up or right-handed tip up. You've got a captive pivot right there. It is an automatic lock. Let's see. Yep. All right, so let's do that again. Pretty solid little OTF or OTS out the side. Definitely opens up pretty solidly. Do like that a lot. And I like the fact that it's CPM-154 with a wonderful stone washed finish, which is going to, really cover up hard use on this knife. So I can definitely get some use out of this. Definitely a kind of a hard, kind of a quick, easy knife to use. Let's see, is this pretty easy to close like it is with my McNeese? Yeah, not bad. Let's see, can we do it left-handed? Okay, I'll make sure I just get the right grip on there. All right, not super easy. Definitely probably be a two-handed or use it or go against the pants and push in like that, right? So definitely works. Let's kind of give it like slow and see if we can slow that down, see what we think. All right, let me do that again. Not bad. It's got a pretty decent blade stocks, come out to a nice little pokey tip. I would call this like a reverse Tonto modified sheep's foot worn clip. It's got a belly, so that gives you more of a sheep's foot. Comes to a pretty thin edge. It's not super thin slicey, but it does seem to have the ability to cut. Almost a full flat grind. Definitely have enough little strength in the spine and the tip, so that's good for use. I like the little anodized pivot collar. I don't know if that's steel, but it's a cool little touch. And the raw titanium is not, raw aluminum is not bad. Definitely going to be some cost savings there for sure. Fits pretty well in the hand. There's no sharp spots anywhere. Even the clip, I like this clip. This clip is pretty cool. It's got a little loop up and it's nice and rounded. It's not super crazy aggressive. It's going to fit under there really nicely. I'm sure there's probably going to be probably get an aftermarket clip or something if you wanted to, but very cool. Definitely a nice little flip, a little out the side automatic. What I also like, I know this is like a speed hole here sometimes, but that allows me, with my left-handed open, I can get a little leverage here. So when I open this, I don't feel like the knife's going to fly out my hand. That's really nice for like reverse. So I can be over here and hold that pretty well without feeling like it's going to just shoot out my hand. Because it's got a pretty good little clip. I mean, it's a pretty good actuation. It really does open with a little bit of strength. I mean, it's not a ProTech, it's not a McNeese, I get it, but it's not bad. I'll tell you that much. It's not bad at all. It is pretty competitive. Now, I just checked out the Launch 8. This is the Launch 15, right? Or Launch 11, sorry, this is the Launch 11. The Launch 11 is not bad at all. I like this iteration a lot. Definitely opens up pretty strongly. So that's cool. The Launch 8 was really surprising. It's like a dagger, but boy, man, that exploded out. That was really good. So yeah, nice, and it looks like nice and rounded on the spine here, not super sharp. I don't think you're going to be shaving the nail, scraping the nail material off your nail, so that's cool. So it's nicely rounded. It does have a little jimping there, so that's functional if you want to keep your hand there, if you're doing really push cut. And I mean, you can definitely choke up right here, right? So I can hold that grip and right there. So you can definitely do that. You can get a nice grip right there and a presentation. So if you had to do a push, that would work really well. All right, so that's cool. I like the fact this is a USA made knife and it's CPM-154. That's a bonus. That's a bonus. CPM-154 is pretty stinking cool. I do like that a lot. All right. Very cool. I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to doing a review on this one. This is going to be a lot of fun. Still dead center nuts centered. That's just amazing. That's really great. I don't know, man. I got to tell you, I'm just blown away by this thing. Man, the Launch 11 and now just before the Launch 8. I mean, wow, Kershaw. I mean, I feel like I'd be announcing the bottom of the knife and go, and there he goes, big swing and a home run, clears the bases. I mean, that's just fantastic. Really fantastic. I'm curious what the prices are. I'll have some links down below. Definitely get an idea of what the costs are, but I'm impressed. I mean, I have an idea what I think would be a good price for these, but I will see if Kershaw blows my mind, okay? Or if it's right around what I expect. Yeah. I mean, even if it's right around where I expect, I still think it'd be a heck of a deal. I really do. So we will see. But I hope I'm wrong. I hope they blow me away, because they certainly blew me away with the Livewire. This is by far an absolute monster competitor to Microtech or to Heretic. I really believe so. This is my one OTF. I really like this. It's so solid. It's a great knife. Cannot recommend this enough. Get the Livewire. Mine's 20 CV blade steel. The new ones are coming out in MagnaCut, even better, and I'm sure the MagnaCut's amazing. But this is really cool. Absolutely surprising like heck. All right, so let's go ahead and get some nice up close look at this knife. It is raw aluminum. There's the button. It's got a nice little collar right there. It does say Kershaw Auto. You can see the little 2 screws for the reverse. Almost no screws on this side over here except for the pivot. Then you got the captive pivot right there into the frame. A couple of screws in the back, which is important. And we got the screws right there for the deep pocket carry clip, or the clip. I mean, you know, not bad. You do see the Kai USA for Kershaw, and then you see the CPM-154 and the USA emblem. That is pretty cool. That is pretty stinking cool. I like that. I like that a lot. I also like the flag. I'll just leave it at that. That's a cool flag. Well placed, well positioned, well oriented. Absolutely get that. And I 100% agree. Really nice. All right. Very cool little knife. Very cool little knife indeed. Let's do that one more time. Yeah, just really solid for an OTF. I'm just so stinking surprised. Really stinking surprised. Man, really, really cool. Just really, really, really cool. Good job, Kershaw. Another outstanding little banger of a knife here. Little banger out the side knife. Phenomenal. Yeah, I can't wait to do the review on this one. This is going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to enjoy this. So watch for the reviews coming. Absolutely, absolutely just a fantastic little knife. Definitely need to check this out. Really, really good. All right, so that's the Kershaw Launch 11 in the raw aluminum. And I like the touch of the raw aluminum. That's really nice. It gives it a nice lightweight, very manageable. I do like that. You know, it's very reminiscent of Protec. Protec uses aluminum. Now they're Cerakote or cover their aluminum. This is a plain. I like the look of the plain. It's kind of cool. I would love to see some of the Protec knives be plain aluminum. Just me. I wouldn't mind seeing that. So I like it. I like it a lot. All right, very cool. I love this blade shape. I'm gonna see what they call this. I mean, I would call it a reverse tanto modified sheep's foot. That's what I would call it. I feel like it's a little sheep's foot / reverse tanto. It is a relatively flat grind. It does come up to, you know, right here's no swedge on this one, so this is meant to be a little more hard use. Oh, by the way, a little bit of play, not much there at all. Not play any there. So let's do that again. Yeah, not bad. I like that. Now I had the Launch 8. I didn't really check that. Let me just do that. It's definitely overlapping videos. Oh, that's in there solid. Yeah, absolutely. So, I mean, just for fun, I want to... You know what? I get it. They have a little thing there as well, and they do here. All right, so let's compare. All right, both USA made. One is obviously much bigger, and if we were to take my other Kershaw here, which is a fantastic knife, by the way. It's one I've had for a while. I love this knife. All right, so similar in size. This is the coated aluminum on this one. All right, 20 CV, both CPM-154. Let's flip them over here. Little similarity in blade shape between the two. This is more of a full dagger, where this almost has a drop point. If you look at that, it doesn't seem perfectly uniform like a dagger. I tend to think it is, yeah, I tend to think it's more of a drop point because it feels like the belly comes up here and it doesn't really go dead center in the middle. So, but that's just me. I could be wrong. I absolutely could be wrong. So, you know, there's that. But I really do like the inlay, the raw aluminum. That's really cool. I like the buttons on there. Yeah, so very good job. Very good job. Let me put this one away. This was the previous review. We'll put that one away. But very, very nice little knife indeed. I think definitely worth considering. I'm very curious what the cost is. I'm really thinking it's going to be cool. All right. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, entertaining, or informative, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the videos really helps out the channel, allows the channel to grow, allows me to produce more content, do more things ultimately for you guys. So thank you. Thank you so much. Appreciate you liking, subscribing, and watching the videos. It means the world to me. So thank you to every one of you and all my channel members. You guys are awesome. I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Yeah, really, you guys really help make the channel amazing and allow me to do a lot of things. And quite frankly, just really is what makes this a lot of fun. People like you guys, so thank you. Hey, if you guys were on the fence about thinking about becoming a channel member, there's a link down below if you want to be a channel member. I have 3 different tiers, a budget-friendly one, a medium one, like $5, and then the premium one's $10. Comes with some nice perks. Would love for you to be a channel member, be a supporter. If you like this channel, you like the content, man, I'd appreciate you guys. And if not, just keep watching the videos, keep enjoying the content. I just invite you to be here. There's no pressure whatsoever to be a member. I just invite you to be one if you'd like to support the channel. And if you want to just keep enjoying the videos, keep enjoying the videos. I appreciate you guys. So thank you so much. Hey, and if you also liked, did I tell you about the notification? Did you talk about hitting the notification if you haven't already? Please do. Consider that, hitting that notification. You can be notified of future content like this. If you haven't already, check me out over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Robs_nerdy_knives. Let me make sure I pronounce that. Thank you so much. for watching, and have a great day and a great week.